Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mohammed Rahman, and I was facing hair loss from a really young age. When I was 17, I started losing my hair, and I panicked in the first place. But I went to a lot of doctors and everything. Then they gave me some prescriptions and everything. I tried, but eventually it really falls out. So I went to Miami for studies, and I really wanted a vacation and also wanted to, do a transplant on my hair. And I was looking some hospitals in Turkey, but I was thinking about the recovery time and everything because I didn't want it to being ended up in alone in Turkey. So I was looking for a hospital in Bangladesh, and New Route caught my eye. I saw all the videos they got, I saw all the reviews they got, and our footballer Jamal did that too from here. I talked to one of the associates of New Roots, and they were very friendly, talked to the doctors and everyone. I came to Bangladesh and did my surgery like yesterday, and the surgery was awesome. All the staff were very helpful.